Hi, my name is Mary Amato. I'm a multidisciplinary teaching artist. I love facilitating the joy of making art, whether playing with images, text, sound, movement. I love that satisfaction of creating something tangible, but I'm also really fascinated by process. I think workshops and classes give us all an opportunity to learn not just specific skills, but to really learn about ourselves. When and how do we really get into that creative flow, and what holds us back? A crucial thing to do in class is to check in. Ask yourself, am I enjoying this? If so, why? And if not, what's going on? Am I putting too much pressure on myself to be perfect? That's a really common one. Understanding what it is that encourages us or discourages us is as important as learning any skill. I'm so grateful to be teaching. Working in isolation gets really old. Classes and workshops give us all an opportunity to create in community, and that's so enriching.